Hey everyone! In this video, we'll first understand the logic behind our VWAP-based positional strategy before we start building it on Tradetron. Don't worry if you're new. I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow. So let's get started. First, let's understand this strategy in a very simple way so that even if you're completely new to trading, you can follow along without any confusion. This strategy is based on something called VWAP, which stands for Volume-Weighted Average Price. But you don't need to worry about the technical definition. Just think of it as the average price of a stock for the day. When the price is above this average, the market is considered strong, and we look for buying opportunities. And when the price is below this average, the market is considered weak, and we look for selling opportunities. This makes it easy to understand the overall direction of the market. Now, this is a positional strategy, which means we don't jump in and out quickly. Instead, we stay in the trade and follow the trend as long as it continues. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine a stock is trading at $100, and it moves above VWAP. This gives us a buy signal, so we buy one quantity at 100. Now, instead of exiting quickly, we build our position step by step. If the price moves slightly against us by 0.11%, which brings it to around 99.89, we buy one more quantity. If it drops again by another 0.11%, we again buy one more quantity. So the idea is very simple. Every time the price dips slightly against the trend, we keep adding positions gradually. Now let's say after adding a few positions, the market starts moving in our favor. At this point, we look at the latest price where we entered the trade. Suppose our latest entry was at 99. If the price moves up by 0.5% from this level, which is around 99.50, we exit half of our total quantity. If the price moves up by 1% from the latest entry, which is around 100, we exit all remaining quantity. There's one important condition to understand here. We will only take the half profit at 0.5% if the market has first moved at least 0.11% against us. If the market goes straight up without dipping first, we will skip the half exit and wait for the full target. Now, what if the trend changes completely? If the price crosses VWAP in the opposite direction, we immediately exit all positions without any delay. Also, there is no fixed stop loss in this strategy, because the entries, exits, and overall risk are managed using VWAP direction and these small step-by-step position adjustments. Finally, this strategy is not limited to just one stock. We will run it on a list of stocks so it can capture multiple opportunities at the same time. That's the complete logic explained in a simple way, and in the next video, we will start building this strategy step by step.